Hi everyone, my name is Odmar Færø. I'm a master's student at Færø, and this year, as part of one of our communication projects, on the 14th of October 2017, I, along with a lot of help from good people, did a project here, and the point of that project was to renovate this garden area and make it possible for future projects within the area of sustainability to take place here. And I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the things that we did. So these tires, we received these from Bilrupt. They would otherwise just have been thrown away. And what we did is we gave them a coat of paint, painted them over, and within them we received donations from Hanadot, and we actually planted various things in them. So here we have the first one is banana mint, then we have rosemary, then we have timian, and finally we have some strawberries. And here at the very end of the garden we planted some shrubs, and these were received from Skårukt, completely free, and we made an effort to plant them, and with a little bit of upkeep hopefully they'll grow and blossom and will look really nice in the future. So these crates were donated from Balslev, and a lot of people throw these away, but if you just recycle them and use them for another purpose, then you can see along with the soil that we put in them, we've planted some chives and some strawberries, again from Hanadot. I think that will go well. And over here is the centerpiece. This is our demonstration of recycling and how it can be used for different things. We've made a bench here. These round things, I don't know what they're called, but with a little bit of effort you can use them for a table or a plant pot, like you can see here. These were given to us by Life More, and these crates would otherwise probably be thrown away, maybe used once or twice again, but you can see this is quite useful if someone wants to have a barbecue in the future or something like that. So as you can see, with a little bit of time and effort and the application of things such as good recycling and the planning of various things, I think we've made this place look a lot better. And I just want to clarify that all the stuff that we planted, it can be eaten, so the students living in Limburg, so they can use this stuff for cooking and so on, and hopefully in the future a lot of more good projects within sustainability can take place here.